Welcome back to the channel, Beach Bums. Today we are going to talk about packing. If you're anything like me, packing could be a sport or a challenge. So today we're going to go over some of my must-have items and some of my organizers that make packing easier. And don't worry, I will have everything linked for you down below. So I may not mention it all, but everything will be there down below. So let's go over it all, shall we? Start with my handy dandy duffel garment bag. Sometimes I use it for garments. It opens all the way up and you can hang, put hangers in there and close on the hangers, and it has a spot for shoes and whatnot. And other times, depending on when we're going, if I'm taking another additional suitcase, this may just have shoes and toiletries in it. I know, I'm crazy. And of course, going on vacation means you're gonna have dirty laundry. So I like these handy dandy little zipper bags so you can sort out your dirty clothes from your clean clothes and pack it separately. And I'm a girl that's all about my sunnies. So I love this handy dandy little case. You can also hang it. It opens up and it holds 5 pairs of sunnies. I happen to have in some of my cute little Sojos that I just got. But I like it. You can hang it on the door on a hanger and keep your sunnies organized. I also like to accessorize, as you can tell. So this keeps all of my jewelry somewhat contained. It's got a lot of different compartments, so you can pick and choose how you want to put things and keep it sorted and separated and zipped up and all in one spot. And I am pretty high maintenance when it comes to sleeping. Don't like sunlight and I don't like noise. So these two things really help, especially when we're doing our Disney trips and we might have kids in the rooms upstairs, next door, whatever. I can block out the light and I can tune out the noise. And of course we have lots of electronics, so you got to have a portable charger. And the best travel makeup bag. It is perfect for carrying lots of things. It opens up and it has multiple different compartments. So it's great to condense a lot of your needs. I typically use it strictly for makeup and or facial products like moisturizers and things like that. As you all can see, I have lots of hair, so it requires lots of products and maintenance. I won't name them all, but I will link them all down below. This one definitely, the InCommon Magic Mist, is definitely a must-have for me. It's a detangler, a heat protectant, whatnot. I have to have dry shampoo, and then I have lots of different hair oils and heat protectants and hairspray. Then we have, of course, I have to take the sunscreen, my facial moisturizer, my Babe Lash Serum, and then my nightly lip mask. And then to tie up all this hair, I have this sleepy tie. So if you do, girls, if you do a blowout, style your hair, you can use this to tie your hair up at night and it will not leave kinks, and take it out the next morning and it still looks great. And then to touch it up, I have my handy dandy beach weaver. I'm packing is going to be linked down below, so you can grab whatever you need whenever you're packing for your next getaway. What are your favorite go-to items? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what they are. I'm always on the hunt for some new finds. So hopefully this gives you some good ideas, and happy packing. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.